Hi, welcome back to AV Upgrade's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about creating a lighting scene on the Control4 interface. You can create scenes such as away, night mode, a scene for visitors, a scene for bedtime or nap time, or a scene for a mealtime or a dinner. All of these scenes can conveniently be triggered by one push of a button. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is navigate to the lighting screen on your Control4 interface. Once you get here, you want to select Scenes. After that, you want to select the pencil icon in the top right corner. This is going to help you open up the Edit Scenes mode. As soon as you press that little pencil icon in the upper right corner, the Edit Scenes pane will pop up. Here, you want to press the plus sign that is in the top right corner of this pane to create a new scene. Next, you want to select the rooms to add to the scene. Here you can choose your kitchen, dining room, living room, or other rooms that you want this scene to be present in when you activate it. After you pick which rooms are going to be set in your scene, you're going to click the next button. Once you hit that next button, it's going to take you to the Set Scene pane. Here you want to select the lights that you want to add to your scene, such as your can lights in the kitchen or your corner lamps in the living room. Also here in the Set Scene pane, you want to change your lights to the desired light level that you want in your scene, such as when it's dinner time, activate the lights to 100% and dim the lights in the living room to 50%. After you have everything set the way you want it for your scene, click Next. After you have set all of your specifications for your scene, you want to give it a name and then select Done. The scene will be saved and ready to use. As always, please like and subscribe to our AV Upgrades YouTube channel to see more content like this. If you have any ideas or suggestions on videos that we should make, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching!